Alright guys, so it's been a while. We got the junkyard today. So my buddy messaged me yesterday that there's something good on this yard. There's probably about 3 or 4 cars that I'm looking for. So let's go check it out and let's see what kind of good stuff is on that vehicle left over. I'll give you a hint. A couple Hondas and a couple Subarus. So let's just go quickly take a look. You've probably seen some of my videos on the junkyard hunt. This side right here, it just fresh came in from the insurance company that it's gonna need to get crushed. Some of them will be on this side of the fence for us for pick and pull. So just passing the Ford, Chevy, and imports over there. So we're just gonna go quickly get to our vehicle and take a look. Alright, here we go. This is all the imports aisle now. And get the Toyota right there, Civic right here. That's a Venza, isn't it? We're almost there. Alright, so there's one Subaru right here. It looks like a late 20s. Just a WRX EJ25. Oh, is this non-turbo? There's nothing left on this one. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. And there you go. There's a Honda Prelude right there. There's one of the Honda Preludes that my buddy told me, and this is one of them. And there's another one on this yard. You got smack on the front right there. Yeah, not bad. No rust. That's pretty good. Not bad on this one. I've seen worse. Airbag is blowing. It's automatic. Taillight's gone. Water right there. The seat is not bad. Cloth. Has a 103 kilometer on this. Door is good. Mirror is nice. The hood. See this thing right here? There's a mark. There's a pinch right there because when you get a head-on collision, that's where it bends. Instead of the whole hood is going straight to the windshield, he will bend right here, just like a tuna. All right. Nothing you can salvage here. I heard starter brand new on this is about $200-300 bucks. Distributor is like 120. Power steering pump reman is like almost 300 bucks. Yeah, it's pretty tough to find parts these days. This is aftermarket power steering hose right here. It looks nice. I like this style of power steering hose. It's classic. I don't like those big block aftermarket one. Yeah, there you go. This side of the Prelude is never been decapitated, still on tack. Let's go to the next one. All right, so this is the next one. Another Prelude right there. Wow. Been spray paint and look at see way over the windshield and on a door. It's crazy. Yeah, pretty common. There's a big hole right there and a duct tape. Yeah, this is worse than the first Prelude that I seen. This one is automatic as well. It's 265 kilometer. Airbag's not blowing. Cloth interior. Seats on this is not bad. Still intact. Pretty good. Wow. This owner likes duct tape. Everything is what's been repaired is all duct tape. Painted tail lights. Oh, spare tire still on there. Aftermarket wheels. Yeah, another duct tape. Pretty common to break that handle right there. Yeah, another duct tape right there. Jeez. On the Prelude, duct tape everywhere. The mirror, the glass is pretty good. The hood, I bet you it's painted. That's probably the hood. There's a dent right there. A lot of stone chips and rocks right here. Paint is peeling off. He got paint over on top of the other paint. So this is what I meant here. There's a little dimple. That's for the collision from the factory. That's a normal one, so that when you get hit, forward collision, this hood will bend instead of the whole hood going straight towards the windshield, so it will bend like a tuna. Alright, so you can see the body of this thing is just not great. Okay, fender is not good. The door is not good. Tire has been replaced with different rims. Tail light, there's a lot of faded from the sun, UV ray. There's nothing you can salvage except this is why I came here. When my buddy took a picture, I'm gonna come and snag this off. Side skirt, you can see that this is aftermarket for sure. Same thing on this one. Oh yeah, look at this. It's plastic, but it's flexible, so it's not like a really strong that would crack right away when you hit the curb. No front bumper. Same thing with back bumper. Oh, look at this. This one. Hey man, hey. How are you? Good. It's up on the top of the vehicle. This rear bumper lift kit. It's not bad, but I don't need the bumper fascia. All I need is this lip right here. Oh, there's a crack. Okay, you can see that it's flexible. Doesn't say what brand on here. I'm for sure it's somewhere. There's a name. Nice. So I'm gonna take this out off the bumper fascia and those two side skirts on this one right here. I'm gonna quickly take them out. Alright guys, so here's my tools right there. I had to try a couple things to make this thing detach from the vehicle. So because of the bolt is so rusted, and the self-tapping screw, I'm gonna have to cut a slit. You can see the line right there with my angle grinder. I had to cut it so this will come out. Here we go. Here's the brand. What is that? Upside down West Wing. Right there. So clean this up, get all this old paint, double-sided tape, make it nice and smooth, and this is ready to go. All right, let's go to the other side. All right, so this is the other side. This is the rusty self-tapping screw that they put in right there. Trying to put a screwdriver in there, just not going to budge. A lot of self-tapping screw rusted out. It'll be easy to take out this tire, but I don't have the key for these. And the double-sided tape on the top here is just really working good. Just need to peel that off. Yeah, double-sided tape. Alright, one more bolt right there. Alright, I got that bolt out. I can make a new bracket right there. I don't want to take that one. Alright, so it's gonna peel this off. There's a lot of dust gonna be flying. There we go. Yeah, right there, that's the back. I'm just gonna clean that off. West Wings is the brand. I like this one because it's a polyurethane. It's a flexible plastic. All right, those are the two side skirt. Now we're gonna take out the one for the bumper right there. It's gonna be tough taking all these nuts and bolts, so let's see what we can do. All right, guys. Shit, good thing about that one, because all this rusty bolt is ridiculous. This is the tough one right here, right by the exhaust side, but everything is all off. There you go. Yeah, two-side skirt, and then the rear deflector. The guys here at the till, $10 each. Right here, $10 each. This one I'm not sure how much. We'll ask them. So it's gonna be a lot of prepping to get this thing look nice, and that's gonna be on our next video. But you can see here we're gonna need like a brand new J-nut and a bolt for sure, and then the other one I'm gonna have to make a bracket and then clean this off. All right, so I don't know, nothing else that I can take from these Prelude here. There's a lot of good stuff, and it looks like I got painted everything. They just went crazy with the paint here. Wow. That's it, guys. Stolen, no status. Okay. All right, that's it. Just had to walk around. What else we can see? Let's take this with us. Alright, there's a Honda's right here. Is it an 8 Gen? I used to own one of these SI model. Wow. And there's the Lancer automatic. And there's a Subaru right there. Impreza 2.5 wagon. No engine. No engine. Wow. Yep. Nothing interests. Couple Honda Accords, Civic right here. This is the fence that we're not supposed to go over, because those are the ones that fresh came in from the insurance company. You're gonna have to drain all the fluids out of those vehicle and then bring it here to the other side of the fence. Yeah. The two side skirts and then the lip on the rear bumper. So 3 pieces.
Bumper filler?
Yeah, bumper filler.
Okay.
You said they're like $10 the side.
Yeah, 10 bucks a side. 30 bucks altogether.
30? Okay, debit. Alright guys, check it out. Finally. Just wanna double check to you guys that this is a good score. West wing, side skirts, and then the rear piece on the bumper. Shitty thing about this is there's a piece right here on the rear bumper. You're just gonna have to plastic weld this thing, put a reinforcement bracket and weld it, and then this bump right here, we'll just put a steel piece of metal top and bottom and then clamp it and then heat it up so that it would bring it back to the original shape. And other than that, it's not bad. West wing. That's it guys. Oh yeah, one more thing. Spent about 30 bucks, 10 bucks each. Not bad. Canadian. That's it. Next video with this here, I'm gonna show you doing the restoring and sanding and all the other stuff.